Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I just thought I'd take a moment to explain to you a little bit about the things inside our Te Reo Singalong books that you might not know about. So we definitely have a CD in the books, apart from in the picture dictionary, which isn't a song, but each book has a CD. And if you haven't got a CD player, we've got a link there to SoundCloud, which is where our music can be downloaded, all of our songs for free, and they're now on a lot of the other music platforms as well. So that's one thing, the music. Each book is a song. We've got the curriculum links. That makes life a little bit easier for some teachers. How to use the books, follow-up ideas so that you can make the most of the books, kind of like a vocab area which you can photocopy and use these for helping you to use the books with children, and most importantly for some people, an English translation. And then the last thing is that we also have the guitar chords. And then in the picture dictionary, because it doesn't have a CD of course, but there's lots of excellent things in here. For example, it's not just words with pictures. Each of these categories has a sentence structure. And then you can also look on the back to download the Zapper app and then put that over each page and hear me pronouncing the words and the sentences. So that's a quick summary of there's a lot more to Te Reo Singalong books than some of you might have realised. Ka kite.